Welcome to another outdoor family travel review. Today we're going to look at the sky ride on the Carnival Panorama. As you can see, the sky ride is basically a recumbent bike that is hanging from this system that's all around the outside sports deck of the ship. The track on the sky ride looks really flat, but there's actually a little uphill and a downhill on this track. Now, if you have lower back problems, this might be uncomfortable or even painful for your back. There is a height requirement on the sky ride. It is 52 inches. There is also a weight requirement. Before you get on the ride, you'll have to step on this scale in front of me that you can see here. If you are good to go, the light will be green, and the weight requirement is 250 pounds. When you sit down on the bike on the sky ride here, they do have a seat belt that goes over your head and attaches between your legs. There are hand brakes that are really only to be used when you come back into the station to stop. The seat is adjustable, so if you're short like me, they will actually adjust your seat so that you can reach the pedals better. I should have had them move my seat a little farther forward. Maybe try like stretching out both legs before they finish adjusting your seat, because I could barely reach the pedals. You'll have to excuse my knee. In this shot, I did the best I could with what I had, but it is a beautiful view of the surrounding area. Thanks for hanging with us, and I hope this tour of the sky ride was helpful, and safe travels.